Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Android for a full WhatsApp export. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, make an immediate local backup, and then upload to Google Drive so you have 2 copies. Make sure media is included if you need photos and videos. This increases size, but preserves everything. Once done, note your phone number and Google account. These are required later. Now, install the Move to iOS app on Android to begin the transfer process. You will now transfer the backup from Android to iPhone using Move to iOS. This copies your WhatsApp account and message history. On the iPhone setup screen, choose Move Data from Android, enter the code shown on iPhone into the Android app, and grant all permissions so photos, messages, and app data move. Make sure both phones stay powered and awake. Interruptions break the transfer. Once the transfer completes, finish iPhone setup, but do not open WhatsApp yet. You finish by installing WhatsApp on the iPhone and verifying the same phone number you used on Android. WhatsApp will detect the transferred data and prompt to restore. Tap Restore and wait for completion. Make sure iPhone has enough free space. Media-heavy backups need extra room. If the restore fails, first confirm both devices use the same phone number and Google account mapping, then retry Move to iOS. A common fix is to redo the Android backup. Reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.